My name is Shelly. I am from Dastakar and I have been working with Dastakar from last 25 years. Dastakar is 40-year-old. I mean, it's a 4-decade-old organization, and the objective of starting Dastakar was to link the rural class people with the urban market. And it's not that only we are doing bazaars and giving them market, but we also work with them because uh, there are so many things which they don't understand. They don't know what the urban market needs it. So those needs, we address those needs and work with them, guide them. We give them different designs, product development, various inputs we give, and then finally the market where they could test market whatever new designs and products they have made. And this is the first time we are doing this event over here. This event, Dastakari Bazaar, is starting from, it has just started today, which is from 4 to 12, and it will continue for 9 days. We will be having 2 weekends, so all of you can easily come and see the bazaar. This Chennai Bazaar we have been holding from last 12 years, over 12 years in fact, but various places. This is the first time we are doing it in YMCA grounds, Koti Vaktam, Boys Town. So please do visit here. And in fact, this is the biggest bazaar ever we have done in Chennai. We have over 120 different stalls, craft stalls, coming from almost like 18 different states. So you can imagine all kind of craft. You will see and you will find here from garments, textiles, bags, decoratives, glass, pottery, furniture, everything is here. And the best part is you must have seen various bazaars in Chennai, but people do claim it's authentic craft, but you will not actually find authentic craft in other exhibition as we have been putting it and bringing it in the market. In fact, people are using our names. When while we are not here, they are saying Dastakar Bazaar because Dastakar has created such a reputation that now people want to follow the same path, but in a different way. We have a lot of things you could see behind me. Lot of fiber products are there, which are sustainable. Bags in jute, sabai, cane, bamboo, reed. Lot of materials are there, which in any case you won't find it in your city. Please do visit and encourage these craftspeople who are coming from all the way from different places, different states, just to showcase their craft, which in any case are somewhere going to extinct in the younger generation, in the future generation. People will not see it if we won't encourage it. So please, your visit is important, and to encourage these people. Thank you so much.
So it's authentic. What about cost price wise?
Price wise, see, in any case, everything is handmade, and handmade things are slightly pricey. But when you understand why this is pricey, people coming from all the way from different places, putting lot of effort. It's not only one person who is making it and selling it. There's a complete process behind it, and several people are employed because of this. And obviously, when so many people are employed, so money goes to everyone, and that's how the cost will also get slightly increased. Don't compare it with the machine, it's all handmade. She is one of our participants from Chennai itself, Renu Jain, and she is working, she has an organization called Konai, and doing a very wonderful work, sustainable products she is making out of waste and recycled materials. And over to her, she will explain you more about the thing.
வணக்கம், என் பேர் ஹேமா ஜெயின். நான் இப்போ முதல் தடவையா தஸ்த்காருக்கு வந்திருக்கேன். தஸ்த்கார் 12 வருஷமா சென்னையில நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு. இங்க 18 மாநிலங்கள்லேருந்து பல விதமான கைவினை பொருட்கள் செய்யறவங்க வராங்க. மூங்கில், மர வேலைப்பாடு, செம்பு, அப்புறம் இயற்கை சாயம், இயற்கை துணிமணி, இந்த மாதிரி பல விதமான கலைஞர்கள் அவங்கவுங்க பொருட்களை இங்க கொண்டு வந்து விற்கிறாங்க. இது எல்லாம் உங்களுடைய ஆதரவு இல்லாம நடக்கவே முடியாது. சிறு தொழில்ல நம்ம எல்லாரும் கலந்துக்கிட்டாதான் இதை ஊக்குவிக்க முடியும். ஸோ நீங்கெல்லாம் கண்டிப்பா வரணும். 120 பேர் பல இடத்துல இருந்து சென்னையில வந்து ஸ்டால் போட்டிருக்காங்க. நீங்க வந்து ஆதரிக்கணும். இங்க லைவ் டெமான்ஸ்ட்ரேஷன் நீங்க வந்து பார்க்கலாம். கண்ணாடி வளையல் எப்படி செய்யறாங்க, அப்புறம் தறி எப்படி நெய்யறாங்க, அப்புறம் ஒரு கல்கத்தால இருந்து வந்து இயற்கையா ஒரு தண்டுல இருந்து எப்படி ஒரு பூ டெக்கரேஷன் பண்றது இதெல்லாம் பண்ணி காட்டுறாங்க. நீங்க வந்து பார்க்கலாம், கத்துக்கலாம். அப்புறம் இங்க ஜார்க்கண்ட்ல இருந்து வந்து நடக்கிற ஒரு நடனம் இருக்கு. இதெல்லாம் பாரம்பரிய முறையில நடக்கிற விஷயங்கள். நீங்க வந்து பார்க்கணும், ஆதரிக்கணும். தேங்க்யூ.
That we, along with the craft stalls, also have demonstrations, live demonstration where people are actually demonstrating their work, so that the generation over here and people who are not aware how the weaving has happened, the reweaves, everything is being done over here, and they are demonstrating their skills. Shola peat flowers. Many people doesn't know what is actually shola peat. He will explain what is shola peat, how the flowers has been made. So that demonstration is going on. And also there's another one, lag bangle, not sorry, glass bangles. They're demonstrating that glass bangle. And we have chow dancers coming from Jharkhand. They'll be performing soon. It's only for the weekend, so please come and enjoy them.